Good morning everyone, back with me Nadia Eskia in Breaking News. Morning news gathered to accommodate floods in Demak, Central Java. Until now, the flood level has not yet receded, which raised 1 meter. Hundreds of residents are still taking refuge in a number of local government offices. A week after the big flood arrived, a number of areas in the Demak Regency were still inundated. Tens of villages in Karanganyar district and Elephants were still submerged in floodwaters of up to 1 meter. Meanwhile, residents whose houses were affected by the flood are still taking refuge in refuge camps such as school buildings and mosques. The Demak government continues to distribute aid to flood victims because the flood is still high and widespread. Even the emergency status of the flood disaster has not yet been recorded. Flood in Demak has inundated 12 villages.
Hot weather, dry skin. Naisha body lotion is the solution. Nourish the skin and keep it healthy, and provide the protection against the skin from bacteria.
Morning news. Japan was hit again by an earthquake on Tuesday, January 9, 2024. A 6.0 magnitude earthquake rocked Niigata Prefecture at 17:59 local time. Japanese media report that the epicenter of the earthquake was Persado Island. The earthquake was centered off the coast of the Sea of Japan in the same area as the earthquake in the new year 2024. However, this earthquake did not trigger a tsunami. The earthquake killed 202 people because they were buried under the rubble of buildings. There are still 102 people who have not been found.
Hungry when to eat, but don't when it rice. Indomas is the solution. Made from a mixture of fresh vegetable. Come on, get it immediately at the nearest supermarket.
Lumbung Roto Natural Tourist is a hidden gem in Magelang, Central Java. At this location, there are views of several mountains, such as Merapi, Merbabu, and the splendor of Mount Sumbing. The natural panorama of the Lumbung Roto, located at the foot of Mount Sumbing, Magelang, Central Java, is very eye-catching. The architectural land is beautifully arranged against the backdrop of the splendor of Mount Sumbing, which is so enchanting at this location. Visitors can take photos with a backdrop of mountains and architectural land. Lumbung Roto is now a new tourist destination that has not been visited by many people, and there is no official manager at this tourist location.